Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to find where the horn is located for your vehicle guys. Stay with us, we will explain that. It could be two different locations, so make sure to stand till the end. We will explain about each one of those. Some of you have a horn right there and you think that's the horn. No, that's for the alarm system. You have two that are absolutely hidden, and one of them could be the really hard to access location, and we're going to explain how to get to it. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So looking at this Hyundai Sonata guys, that we're working on right now, there is one horn here. This is for the alarm system guys. This is not for your horn that when you click on the steering wheel, you press on the steering wheel, it alarms other drivers guys. So where they're located. We'll explain about one of the locations first, and then we'll go to the second one. First, we'll need to go ahead and remove the grille on that Hyundai Sonata, and then we'll continue with the next step. So first thing that we need to do, we need to open the hood. Unfortunately guys, our hood supports, the struts, the shocks do not work anymore, so we need to replace them. We'll have a video how to fix a hood that does not stay up as well, so check it out, it will be on our channel very soon. Now this is the grille, that we're talking about, and that's what we'll be removing next. So let's explain now what we need to do here guys. We have plastic clips, with the ones that you unscrew the middle element almost all the way out, or you can do it all the way out if you're unsure and pull them out. Now we need to do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 6 clips that we need to remove in order to remove that grille. Alright, working on it now. Perfect, 3 are done. Now 3 on the right side that we need to do. Great. And we just have 2 more that we need to do. And we will explain what else you need to do after that. It's starting to getting loose. Some. Alright, don't push too much on the middle element because it will try to go in. Perfect. Now we need to get guys, a 10mm socket. We need to get a 10mm socket, and we need to get the bumper just loose enough, on this side and on this side. Once we do that, we'll be able to pull a little bit. We're going to show you in a second. Otherwise that grille may be stuck and you don't want to damage anything, right? You don't want to damage your bumper as well. So 10mm socket. Let's just get it loose. Perfect. You can see how it can move now. Let's do the same exact thing on the driver's side. Perfect. Now you're going to grab, you're going to grab here. Let's see. We have a few clips. I can see them. One of them is right there. So you just grab it, gently, and start pulling it out. Just one by one, gently pull it out, and the grille came out. You can see just like that. So you can see guys, with the grille removed, here, if you remove the grille and you have 2 horns, you don't need to worry about anything else because your horns will be located here. If you have a single horn, then you will need to find, you have one more somewhere, and we'll explain where it's located. Why? Because one is a high tone, the other one is a low tone. So how do you guys remove those? Once you go ahead and find it, you have a bracket here with a 10mm. If not, go ahead, remove it, and all we have to do, okay, disconnect, guys, okay, the wiring harness. Also, we have a video that explains how to test horns, which is not very complicated at all. So press there and pull it out. Now it could be really stuck because you may have dust stuck in there as well. Now let's explain where the second one could be. If you don't have two horns there, you have one more that's hidden, guys, under the headlight on the passenger side. So once you remove the headlight, check it out now, this is the headlight, and right under the headlight is the second horn, guys, and we're going to play both of them, okay, so we can hear which one is a high tone and a low tone as well. So how you guys disconnect that one? Okay, you press here, and that thing is so stuck that, okay, finally came out. Oh, I almost lost the bumper here. So 10mm socket, guys, again, and we're going to remove them. Now we're going to show you guys which one is a high tone, which one is a low tone, in case you need to replace only one of them, so you know which one it is. So we're going to get alligator clips now. Okay, this is the horn from the middle, this is the horn from under the headlight. So how we're going to test them? Get alligator clips. Very important not to touch the two wires together. Okay, and practically you can reverse polarity, it doesn't matter on the horn, but just don't touch the two together because you will burn it. And now it's going to be loud. Let's touch it to the car battery and listen now. Okay, I think this is a high tone, maybe. Okay, let's check it on the other one now. See what this one sounds like. Okay, perfect. Let's check it now. You can see how they differ, guys. So if one of them doesn't work, now you can find out even which one it is, so you know what you need to do, whether to remove the grille or the headlight. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to remove and replace horns on Hyundai Sonata. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.